Hi, I'm Eli Woody, and this is The Keeper by Tim Howard, the book talk that I'm doing. A summary about the book was Tim Howard wanted to be a good son for his mother, but he was diagnosed at an early age with Tourette's and OCD when he started showing signs in school. So he pursued soccer and his tics went away while he was playing, so he decided to become the best goalkeeper in the world. Four big ideas that I found in the book was Tim Howard has Tourette's and was diagnosed at an early age. Tim Howard played goalkeeper in New Jersey. Tim's team qualified for the Under-17 World Championship, which was their equivalent to the World Cup. And he retired in 2016 playing for Everton. One theme that I thought was very meaningful was don't give up your dreams when life holds you back. And another theme that I thought was meaningful was always find hope even if you're so deep in the negative. I thought these were really good themes because Tim has Tourette's, so it's very difficult for him to do school and stuff, but he found a very positive way to use his disability, which is soccer. Quality quotes that I found was, I was not a good student. I couldn't sit still, couldn't focus. I wanted to be anywhere but school. Howard 16. Because of his tics, he couldn't learn very well. He would have to go out of the classroom for a lot of the time to let these things happen. Kids made fun of him and it wasn't cool. Well, they made fun of him because they thought he was different. And that is not a bad thing, but like I said, he pursued soccer and became a lot better with himself. Another one that I found was, in 1995, my youth national team qualified for the Under-17 World Championship, our equivalent to the World Cup. It would be held in Ecuador. Howard 41. After everything, he could control himself now, and when playing soccer the tics would cease to show. He felt very good playing soccer, and he loved his sport. This shows you, how he's become more positive about what he has, and how he feels about it, and this just shows you more of his personality, which is very hopeful. A brief book review. You should definitely read this book. It is very inspiring because Tim Howard was told he couldn't do things, and yet he has risen to the very top, or this inspiring person who teaches everybody to persevere even if it's hard. This book teaches you lessons from a real person's perspective, and it's not just some story based on a secondary person's opinion, which I think is really good. If it's personal, then everybody would want to read it. Some book recommendations, or recommended books that I would choose for you guys to read, is What's Wrong with Us by Bruce Arena and Positive by Ali Benjamin and Paige Rowell. These are some good books to read because it's very similar to Tim Howard's book in a lot of ways. Just by the title, you can see how the book would probably be really special and good to recommend because, positive means you're very positive about something, you're very happy about something, you're very optimistic about something. That's a good book I would read. So this is my book talk, and I hope you guys liked it. Bye.